pag binigyan mo ako ng system, I can follow at the start, pero
Yeah,
eventually hahanap ako ng parang mas maganda 'to, parang mas sa
challenging
personality
parang
ko,
gano'n.
yes. Oo. So, there are some people that are really built for franchising a business, pero hindi ako mahilig sa ganyan. So, I cannot speak for it kasi
Ah,
may experience ako but it wasn't successful, so I cannot say
ah.
na
You can speak for yourself parang gano'n
oh,
only.
for me, I would rather
Yeah.
start my own. Kasi you will learn talaga
Ako
gaano
din,
siya ka gaano siya kahirap.
oo, kumbaga learn talaga the hardship 'no. So,
Yep.
yun lang naman, very important and sabi nga nila, guys hindi passive income ang franchising,
Hindi,
So,
active active pa rin
kasi
'yun, that's not
yung
true.
iba ang paniniwala nila 'pag nag-franchise na parang okey na, may pera ng darating, 'di ba? Hindi
Oo, in
po
fact
yan dividend stocks, hindi po yan Pag-ibig
oo,
M2 na